Two questions to never ask credit repair companies. Question number one that I get the most is how long will it take? Look, to tell you the truth, nobody really knows 100% how long it will take for somebody to fix your credit. All I can tell you on my side, if you ask me that, is that typically our clients are finished credit repair in like 3 months to 6 months. That's what I would normally tell people, although a lot of times it has been way sooner. It's been 2 weeks or 30 days for some people, but I would typically say 3 months to 6 months because that's like when our longest clients will normally last. Like 6 months will probably be the longest. So in very extreme cases, like if your credit monitoring isn't working and we can't see your credit report, or we can't get in touch with you, or if you're doing like a monthly service and you haven't paid, we will not work on your profile and it'll prolong it. But for the most part, nobody knows how long it'll take because we can't go to the bureaus and say, hey, my client paid this much money, we need this off in 30, 45 days. It doesn't work like that. So when you ask that question, most of the time what you're going to get from somebody is a lie. If they say, oh, it's going to be 30 days, it's going to be 60 days guaranteed, it's going to be 90 days, they're probably lying to you or they're doing something illegal. And we don't do either one of them.